Okay, this is trying to demonstrate the problem with my 2005 Acura RL. There's a whining noise that started happening recently, and I'm suspecting it is the problem with the alternator. The alternator, you can hear the noise. I'll give it some gas. You hear that? That last noise before it hits idle is really where most of it is coming, and I'm suspecting it is the alternator. Hear that? Everything else seems to be okay. But when I come closer to the alternator, that last noise that you're getting when it reaches idle, this kind of a small whining noise, is